What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Later social media management platform and its features. So Later is a great platform to manage your social media accounts if you have more than one social media account. Let's say you have a Facebook page, an Instagram account, a TikTok account, and Twitter and so on. So instead of managing the content of each platform separately and upload the content on each platform separately, which is very time consuming, you can go ahead and create a Later account and link all your social media platform, your different social media platforms on your Later, and it'll give you so many tools like scheduled posting right from within the Later website or platform. So you can schedule your posts, you can copy posts or link them to other social media. So that is pretty cool. So you'll need to go to their website, that's later.com, and you will land on this page. And if you scroll down, you can find some features, some screenshots, and an overview of the features of the platform itself, and so on. So let's create a free account, and you can also start it from here. So let's create a free account from here, or you can log in if you already have an account. So you can create an account with your name, email. So that's what we are going to do right now, and then click on create account. Okay, so the account is created. Now you can answer some questions like what is exactly your experience. So you are a social media manager, you are a small business owner, you are a creator. So let's say you are a creator for your products, you have a personal brand and so on. So let's choose it. How big is your company? Let's say just me. Okay. How many on your team will help you manage? Let's say just me. Okay. Schedule, what's your main reason for using Later? Okay. Let's say scheduling and publishing, or I'm just trying out, and click now. And here you will get, or they'll give you like a overview of the paid plans. So you have three plans: the starter, which is $25 per month, the growth, which is $45, and the advanced, which is $80 per month. And you get a comparison of the features of each plan, and for each plan you get a 14 days free trial. So for now, let's close it. We want to go for the free one. And here it will give you another pop-up to connect your social media account. So you can link Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and TikTok. Let's skip it for now, and I'll show you the features. Okay, let's dismiss it. And here at the top, you have the different social media accounts that you can link, and click on the plus icon on any of them to link it. And you have you are greeted with the calendar view. That's the main view here, or the main page here. And here you can start your 14 days free trial for any of the paid plans. Okay, now you have here a tab for the media tab. And if we click here on the media, we will open some other settings, the media library, tags, mentions, you can search by profile and so on. So let's go back. And here here is where you will upload your media in order to post them to your social media account. So let's say Instagram, for example, you can upload the media or the photos and videos here directly into Later, and you can schedule them on the calendar, choose when you want to schedule it. And the photos you have uploaded here, they will automatically posted on Instagram. You don't have to open the Instagram app or website itself. So that's pretty cool. So, or you can add media from Google Drive, Dropbox, or upload it, or you can collect media here. So they give you an option to use photos from Unsplash. Okay, I understand, accept and continue. You can use some stock photos. So let's choose some just to show you the platform. So let's choose this one, add to library. Okay, and you also get some info on the photo. Okay, media added. Now let's add this one. Okay, let's add it to library. And we will add a third one. Let's add this one. to our library as well. Okay, looking good. Now, let's go to the calendar view here. Visit. Okay, you have the 3 photos here, and you have here the conversation option where you can, once you link your social media, you have Instagram and TikTok. You can view your conversations. You can read, delete, or reply to comments on each of the platform here, and get your messages and so on. Analytics, you can view right within like later here, where you can view your analytics for the post, like reach, interactions, and so on. So that's pretty cool. And link in bio. Here, that's a great option, similar to services like Linktree, where you can post like one link on your like Instagram bio or Facebook page bio to open or direct you to all your other social media accounts. So here you can generate a link here to put in the link bio to redirect you to all your social media. So let's say how to simple, and it'll generate a custom link for you, and it will be you can design like the page here that you want to land on your customers to land on once they click on your link. So that's a pretty good option. Let's create your page just to see the interface. So here you can add elements here, as you can see, and for each element you can add like social links and so on. So that's a pretty good option. Now, in the calendar here, you have your main calendar view. You have week, month, and you have draft. Okay, like let's in the month view, let's like click here, like to add create note, and you can, once you link your any social media account, you can right click here or select the date to schedule a post, and you can select from the photos that you add or the media that you have here to post them, and you can enter the post description and so on. So that's a pretty good option. And you can also like drag photos and media and drop them on a certain date, and it will start creating a post. Here you have the creator and brand collab. So you can here improve your reachability, find campaigns, media kit, and so on. So that is if you have like a company or a big like social media presence, and you can learn with later. You can find tutorials and how-tos and so on, and you can find these settings. So that was basically like a quick overview of the later social media management platform and its different features.